Is there a way to define the docstring for a Python object that defines _call_? I have a class that defines a _call_, but when the user sees requests help for this function on the help return, they get the entire object and methods and it can be a bit daunting. I would like the help to look more like a function's help if possible. I followed the trail into the inspect module, but it seems that since I cannot inherit from function type and or method type, then this may not be doable. Am I missing something, or do I have to rearrange the code such that I am dynamically building a true Python function object?
What you want is not doable, no. The help information, and inspect information, etc., will show it as a class with a _call_ method, not a function. If the object you produce doesn't have to support anything other than calling, you could use a closure to return an actual function. So rather than return your custom class instance, you return a wrapper function that'll call the class instance. Help information will be given for that function. I used the args and kw wildcard arguments in the callable _function signature, but if you know what arguments are accepted by the _call_ method, you can hard code those in the function you produce.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.